Hi, it's Sarah again from Amaterasu Beauty. So in this video, I'll be talking about how to balance your two brows. So if you've watched my previous video, I had just applied my taupe brow liner on both sides of my brows. Now, if you look at it quickly, you'll think that, okay, yeah, it looks pretty balanced, but I can tell from years of doing makeup that my brows are not balanced right now. So what I like to do in the morning, especially before I head out, I do a quick measurement. So this is what I do. I place my brow liner, and you can use a makeup brush as well. And you just place it, and you can see that, okay, this is my little gauge, my little ruler. And with my eyes, I can see where I need to fill in just a little bit, right there. So again, looks a little better. I need a little bit more up here. Now, another tip too is you want to look at different angles. So I tilt my head up, and then I look down, side and side, because there are little areas sometimes, I like to call them little holes, that you may have missed from just, lighting in the room or whatnot, but it tends to pick up in camera, and this is where when you do a lot of photo shoots, you'll see that there is little areas there. Okay, so that's my little measuring tip on how to measure your brows and make sure that they're the same height. Another thing you want to take it further too is you can place it right there and also right there. And what I do see is just a little bit more. There, you see it? Okay. And this is just with one color. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to intensify my brows for those who has a little bald spot, which I actually do right there. And yeah, stay tuned.